Not registered on network Samsung Galaxy. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the error not registered on network popping up on your Samsung device. Now to do so is quite simple and you can go through a couple of processes, so let me guide you quickly. First, what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar and tap on the gear icon that you can find at the top right corner, or the settings icon that you can find. Tap on it. Now once you head into the gear icon, what you want to do is tap on the connections option here and then head into mobile networks. Now here what you want to do is to both the networks, tap on it and select the highest or the first option. You can see 5G LTE 3G 2G or 5G 4G 3G 2G. You might get option now, and on network 2 select the similar one. Now if you haven't selected this one, then this might cause the error not registered in networks. Next, what you want to do is scroll back and go back to settings and then search in on the search bar, search in for network reset. Now I'll just search in for reset network here, search in for reset network settings. Now once on reset network settings, what you want to do is reset network settings, tap on it and it will reset your settings. Simply tap on reset settings and you should be good to go. This should fix the issue. However, once you do this, what you want to do is restart your device. To restart your device, what you can do is tap and hold the power button on your device that you can find at the right hand side of the screen or your device, and then you'll get the option to restart. Simply restart and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.